who has been appointed as the new chairman of SEBI. Correct answer is Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Between which two countries bilateral naval exercise, Varuna 2025, conducted recently? Correct answer is India-France. Which country won both the men's and women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Correct answer is India, who has been appointed the chairman of Indian Banks Association in March 2025. Correct answer is Chala Srinivasulu Shetty. Which country has recently reported a new type of magnetism called altomagnetism? Correct answer is Sweden, who has won the men's title 2025 Asian Snooker Championship. Correct answer is Pankaj Advani. Recently PM Modi inaugurated world's largest wildlife rescue center Vantara in which state? Correct answer is Gujarat. Which country recently deployed a powerful large phased array radar, LPAR, near the Myanmar border? Correct answer is China. Frederick Merz has become the Chancellor of which country? Correct answer is Germany, who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados, Order of Freedom of Barbados, in 2025. Correct answer is Narendra Modi. Where was the Global Investors Summit 2025 held recently? Correct answer is Bhopal, who has been appointed as the director of FBI. Correct answer is Kosh Patel. Where was Exercise, Desert Hunt, 2025 recently organized? Correct answer is Rajasthan, who topped the list of the world's richest women as per Women Billionaires Global List 2025. Correct answer is Alice Walton. Which company has launched India's first hydrogen truck trials to support the net zero emissions goal? Correct answer is Tata Motors. Which two UT have 100% rooftop solar targets for government buildings as of March 2025? Correct answer is Chandigarh and Daman and Diu. A new species of spin loach, officially named the Cobatus beingensis, has been discovered in which country recently? Correct answer is China, who became a new Chancellor of Austria in March 2025. Correct answer is Christian Stalker. What is the rank of India in Global Free Speech Index? Correct answer is 24th. Which country officially declared English as its national language? Correct answer is United States. Which institution has launched the report titled, From Borrowers to Builders: Women's Role in India's Financial Growth Story? Correct answer is Niti Aayog. Recently Bangladesh invited which country to invest in a river conservation project near the Chicken's Neck corridor? Correct answer is China. Mark Carney has been sworn in as the new Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is Canada, who was the FIDE World Junior Chess Championship 2025. Correct answer is Pranav Venkatesh. Where is the naval exercise Sea Dragon 2025 held recently? Correct answer is USA. Who has been awarded the Digital Transformation Award 2025 in March 2025? Correct answer is RBI. Who has been appointed as the Secretary of BCCI? Correct answer is Devajit Sakya. Which ancient center of learning founded by King Dharmapal of the Pala dynasty is set for revival by the government? Correct answer is Vikramshila University. Who has recently inaugurated the One Nation One Port initiative? Correct answer is Sarbanand Sonowal. Which team won the Women's Premier League title 2025? Correct answer is Mumbai Indians Women. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel to get more interesting GK and current affairs.